How to adjust font size on your Google Chrome. Okay, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can manage your font size on Chrome, how you can minimize or maximize the size. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So let's start with the video. Let me open the Chrome browser. Okay, so here I'm on my Chrome browser. So first thing we need to check whether before we go ahead, that our Chrome browser up to date or not. So how you can check it? Just click on this three line option and go to the help. Under the help we need to click on about Google Chrome. So here, okay, so here you can check the Chrome browser is up to date or not. If it is not, then it will be start updating automatically, and after update you have to just relaunch it. Okay, just relaunch your Chrome browser. Now in order to change font size, just click on the three dot option, go to the settings. At your left side there is a sidebar. Okay, so we need to go in appearance. Under the appearance, just scroll down and just click on this. You can check the font size. You can select the font size from here. If you want very small, then it will be come to very small. Let me check on Google. You can see if search result will be default size, but the other font size will be changed like this one. Okay, so you can change with small or medium, whatever. And now you can see if I refresh it, the font size has been changed. Or you can also customize the font. Okay, this is font size for, if I make it high, you can see the font size will be navigation's font size will be increase. If I increase this one, if I refresh, okay, this is okay, this size also will be increase. This is minimum font size. You can make it, or you can increase decrease the font size. Okay, you can also change font size for standard font, serif font, whatever you want to change from here. The simple way, you just keep the you can change from here. You can make for medium or large, very large, small or very small. Recommended is medium. Okay, you can also make the page zoom if you want. Okay, after change, just come back and your font size will be changed. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.